This hair growth recipe is one of the best, easy to prepare and very effective. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare this amazing hair growth treatment, all the benefits as well as how to use it to boost your hair growth. When chemicals damaged my hair and I had to start my hair growth journey all over again, my hair was breaking, it was thinning and very weak. But after finding natural ingredients and knowing the best way to use them, now my hair is flourishing. And that is what I do on this channel. I teach you all the good things that you can use for your hair and also the best way to care for your hair in order to retain some length, some fullness, as well as some growth. So if you really want to know how I do this, make sure you're watching this video to the end. Let's do this. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back. And I want to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate the support. And you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love by giving videos thumbs up. So please do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up. And guess what? It is free. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these using natural ingredients, you will always be notified. And when you click on the bell, do not forget to select all so you do not miss any of my videos. One of my ingredients for today's recipe is carrot. Carrots are really great for so many things when it comes to hair growth, skincare, and other things. But today we're going to concentrate on hair growth. Carrots contain vitamin A as well as vitamin E, and these two vitamins are really great when it comes to hair growth. They stimulate new hair growth and also make your roots much stronger. Carrots can also add some shine and some smoothness to your hair and make your hair very easy to manage. Carrots also contain beta-carotene, and with regular use of today's recipe, you will find out that with time, your hair is going to feel really soft and easy to manage, as I said. Also, carrots can help prevent hair loss. Carrots contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, and what this does is it's going to help prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any scalp issues that you might be having. When you use carrots to make your own DIY carrot oil and use it on your hair, it can help strengthen your hair strands and prevent it from breaking. So if you're someone suffering from hair breakages, split ends, or if you're balding, if you add carrots to your hair care regimen, either with today's recipe or if you use it in your DIY oils like the carrot oil, it can help improve your hair growth. So as you saw me do, I just clean my carrot, I rinse it with water, then after that I chop it. You can also grate the carrot. You don't have to chop it. You can do it either way that you want. But if you want to get the juice out, all the juice out, this is the best way to do it. So I just chopped my carrots, I put it in a blender, and I added some water to it to make blending much easier. So I just blended it to form a paste. You do not want to make it watery. You just want a paste like so. So at this point, I'm going to put it aside and I'm going to move on to my next ingredient. So my next ingredient for today's recipe is the rosemary herbs. I'm going to use the fresh rosemary herbs today, but if you cannot find the fresh ones, feel free to use the dry rosemary. They are all going to work the same. So I started by rinsing my rosemary herbs, and after that I'm going to take my time to pluck all the leaves from the stick. One great benefit of rosemary when it comes to hair growth is it helps stimulate blood flow to the scalp. And what this does is it helps to improve new healthy hair growth and can also prevent hair breakages. My next ingredient for today's recipe is the flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in vitamin E and this will help prevent hair breakages. So if you're someone suffering from hair breakages, adding flax seeds to your hair care regimen can help stop this. Flax seeds also contain vitamin B as well as omega-3 fatty acids, and this will help prevent hair loss and make your hair strands very strong and prevent it from breaking. Also, it contains protein. Protein will strengthen your hair strands and protect the hair that you have already grown on your hair. So at this point, I'm going to add my carrot paste. I added about 2 tablespoons of my carrot paste and I'm going to mix everything together. So as I do this, I have some water on the stove which is boiling. Make sure you add a very hot water to the mixture. So I'm adding my water to the mixture and after that, I'm going to give it a good stir. And y'all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, Do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs using natural ingredients for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And when you click on the bell, make sure to select all so you do not miss any of my videos. So at this point, I'm going to cover the bowl to make sure all the heat stays in the bowl because we want it to work on the ingredients. It's been about an hour and now the water is all cooled down, so it is time to strain the mixture. I'm just going to give it a quick stir. There are two ways that you can do this recipe, and there are two ways that you can use this recipe. You can either use it as a hair rinse, that is what we're going to use today, and I'm going to show you the right way to use it. So make sure you're watching this video to the end. And you can also use it as a pre-poo. To use this as a pre-poo, you're not just going to add hot water to the mixture. You will want to put it on the stove and boil it. I know most people will just skip around the video and they might miss this important information. So if you're able to watch this part, make sure you grab them and tell them this part of the video. So you can boil this instead of adding the hot water to it. And when you boil it, it's going to be more slimy because of the flaxseed. And when you have that slip or slime to it, it's very good to use it as a pre-poo or to use it to detangle your hair. In that way, it's going to make treating your hair or detangling your hair much easier, and it's going to prevent hair breakages. But in today's video, I'm just going to use it in a different way. So make sure you are watching to the end to see the best way to use this recipe to improve your hair growth and also to stop hair breakages. So I strain it twice just to make sure I do not have any residue that is going to be left in my hair, because I'm going to use this as a hair rinse. So make sure whenever you're straining it, you're getting all the residue out of the recipe. So this is what we're having now. I just love the color and I love how it does to my hair. Let me show you the best way to use this recipe. One great thing about this recipe is the ingredients put together have similar properties. They can help prevent hair loss, hair breakages, and they're also going to help treat your scalp. You all know new hair grows from the scalp. So any treatment that will help cleanse your scalp is something that you need to pay attention to. Before using this recipe, make sure your hair is all washed. So I first shampoo wash my hair and I also deep conditioned my hair. I've rinsed the conditioner out and this is the last rinse. I just pour the mixture all over my hair. Then after that, I'm going to take time to massage it into my hair, to my scalp, so it can work on my scalp and also it can work on my hair strands to prevent it from breaking. If you look closely, you can see the immediate shine and moisture this recipe has added to my hair. So if you're someone suffering from hair dryness, this should be your go-to recipe. After adding it to your hair, just squeeze the excess recipe out from your hair. Just pat dry your hair and go ahead to moisturize your hair. Before leaving, click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. Bye.